Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover Dzine AI. So previously, there was a while ago where I created a series of videos covering Styler. Okay, Styler AI. So Styler now is called Dzine. Okay, the most controllable AI image and design tool. I decided to actually create a new video about this tool because I was just browsing through the design and noticed that some of the features they actually added on recently, they're different from the styler. Okay, they are more advanced, and they are cool to have. So previously styler didn't have those tools. Obviously, the obvious reason is that this AI industry is moving on. Every week something new is coming out, new models are on the market. Like for example, Flux. So and Zine has a Flux here. So yeah, definitely. This tool evolved and I like it. Okay, so now remember Styler previously, now Zine. Website Dzine.ai. Okay, I will leave a link below inside the description. Just click it on and you can test it out. Let's go quickly through the website itself. Okay, yeah, the most controllable image and design tool. Here you go. Some of the just a short video explain on how the tool works. All in one platform, so you can edit. You can AI photo filter. You can combine images with AI. You can generate, fill, and modify. Remove objects from photos. Remove backgrounds from image. AI text effects and logo makers, and so on and so forth. Okay, so AI art generator, image to prompt, image style library, turn sketch to art with AI. Okay, some of those features were already available um, uh, on styler, but as I said, the tool evolved, and now it's packed with completely new features previously not seen on the styler. Okay, here's a few frequently asked questions you can go through. Here you go. So this is the website in a nutshell. Okay, once you clicked on it, I'm gonna show you here. Once you go and click go and start for free, you'll be redirected to the studio. In the studio, okay, if you decided to refer this into, I don't know, you want to share it on your social media, for example, you will be topped up by 1,000 credits if somebody will actually will use your referral link. Okay, so for somebody, just for you guys to know, if somebody has a large number of followers, I don't know, like on the TikTok, Twitter, or any other platform like Instagram, you can share this link and you'll be topped up by 1,000 by 1,000 credits. Okay, so every time somebody will sign up. Okay, so just a thought for you. Anyway, if you starting off and once you sign up, you have a 200 free credits. Okay, that's for start. If you want to go and let's say you decided that you want to purchase it, okay, the standard monthly plan starts with the $10. Then the next stage would be $30 and the $60. Okay, $10, 2,000 fast queue credits per month. Maximum credits rollover capacity 6,000 credits. Watermark removal, unlimited auto prompt, high resolution export, support up to 3 current jobs, 5 SVG export trials per account. Train 5 private models per month, commercial use and permanent project. Okay, so there you go. For the professional, you got a 6,000 credits available a month, and for the business, 12,000. Okay, so there you go. Here is pricing. Now let's go quickly through the studio itself. Okay, here are some popular things which you can do with it. Okay, you can, for example, you can sketch rendering. Okay, so here you go. Here's a picture. You can render the sketch out of it. Coloring book generator. Some of the ideas, if somebody wants to create some of the coloring books and decided to make a business out of that. I know so many people actually do those coloring books those days and sell on Amazon or any other platform. And they're quite popular. Here you go. The design can help you out with that. You can do some logo effects. You can convert 2D to 3D. Okay, portrait filters here available. You see some of those are available here. AI design sketch, those are available here. Logo effects. It's bunch of different filters, models, and everything else. Like it's absolutely it's packed with features which haven't been seen before on a styler. styler. Okay, so I like this. I like this type of teams where actually they have a product, okay, and they evolving, they adding new features and packing them with the new stuff, which is up to date with the newest trends, okay, and newest innovations, and they are just added up into the product. Sometimes they change it the brand, that's no problem. They probably decide that's the best way to do, and it's I think that's a good thing. One more thing which I want to notice here, that look, as nearly 1 million people are visiting this website on a monthly basis. Okay, I don't know how they actually come up with this, like similar web, how they come up with this number. Is that something which also included the styler before, or is it only a Dzine AI? Okay, but anyway, it's a quite popular website. If you click on it like here, it's see on the right hand side, right top corner, it says global rank 61,525. So can you imagine the 61,000 out of all the websites out there, in the world, SimilarWeb decided that this website can be ranked on the 61,525 25th place, which is quite an astonishing result, taking that there's billions of websites out there. Okay. So yeah, definitely guys doing something right here, and the people like their products. They visiting their websites on a regular basis, and for example, let's say if they visit this websites, they usually visit in 3.45 pages per visit, and they spend it about 3.5 minutes. Okay, so let's say there's a some people are coming in and just browsing, yes, obviously, but some people are just coming in, they do some quick project. Let's say they're clicking on the project here. Okay, they do, for example, we start the process here. Okay, so there are different aspect ratio. Uh, uh, okay, is available for us, and they do the quick image, generating an image or do some editing, and there you go, downloading and moving on. And next day, next visit will be the same. That's why, in my opinion, this is a 3 minute 30 seconds, which is still a quite amazing result. Okay, 3 minutes 30 seconds on average. The people are staying on this website. It's plenty of, if you know how to use it, there's plenty of time to generate or edit some image, added some filters, add some AI features on it, So yeah, definitely quite popular. You might consider just to sign up for free and see if that's something which you'll be liking. Okay, so yeah. So guys, we decided to go back here. Okay, so we had a home, we got a project, so we got a pricing, tutorial, Discord, refer a friend, affiliate programs, and you log out. Okay, we started off with the 200 credits. Okay, and then we click here to the new project. Right away, similar, the layout of the website, it's very similar to the styler previously, which is good. Once you know how to use styler, you might so some of my videos about that in the past, you will naturally you will know how to use Dzine AI. Okay, so a few aspect ratios, everyone can find something for themselves. Either you can choose from the ready templates, or you can go and do the custom made. Let's say, well, let's stick to one by one. Okay, and now what we want to do, we can either upload, okay, the image into inside our platform, inside this platform, or we can drag and drop it. We can do the text to image to image, local effect, in paid options, so many things, so many things you can do. In this video, I wouldn't be covering everything. I decided to cover this series of different videos covering the different aspects of that tool. Okay, so definitely, if you want to go, guys, to see some more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I definitely will be sharing more about that. Okay, now let's go and start from the beginning. We're on the simple text to image. Okay, so here go, text to image. We can choose the style, so many styles, similar like to Styler AI. Okay, so many styles. Everything has been nicely done and divided into the folders. Okay, so let's say that we want to create a logo. Here, styles available for us. You can choose one of those ones if you don't, if you like them. Okay, if you want to go ahead and do some line art, there you go. Again, 3Ds. You can do that way. You can do some portraits, or you can just simply go to all styles and choose one of those you like it. Okay, I want to start with the Flux.1. Okay, because this is the newest invasion, on the market. The newest model coming from the guys who actually worked on the who created the Stable Diffusion. So it's a big team. Very reputable, source. So those guys know what they're doing, and they recently came up with a Flux. I also created a video about it. So we will be choosing this particular model, and we want to do some sort of simple prompting. So I don't know. mm, let's say walking dog. Okay, that's all what we want to achieve this time. And then we can go and generate the image, or we can go and we can do some additional stuff, like we can put a seed if you have one, or anything like that. But if we don't do anything like that, if we don't want to add any additional prompts, anything like that, we just go and submit for generation. So now we can definitely, yeah, they actually encourage us to go ahead and skip the queue. If we want to do so, we just have to pay them $10, but we don't want to do it at the moment. We will be just waiting for this video, for this to be created. On the right hand side, you can see, there's 6 jobs in front of us. Okay, and now it's a 5th job. So we are on the 4th place, and so our image should be ready within the next few seconds. Okay, which is great. It doesn't take so long. Okay, so here we go. This image is in motion. Okay, 91% of the 95% now of the image has been generated. There you go, and the image should be ready any minute, any second now. And we will see what the final result will be. This prompt was not so much of a complication. In the next videos, I will come up with the different prompts probably. Those prompts will be much more sophisticated, and see how this model, for example, this Flux, or maybe any other model, will handle this task. Okay, but for the moment, there you go. Here's the dogs, walking dogs. I think those images are pretty clear, pretty sharp. There's, if you want a walking dog image, there you go. I think it's just ready to use. You don't have to do anything about it, because this construction of the image is pretty nicely done. There is no much of a it's everything is, I think everything is on the right place. There's not like the dog has a 5, 7, 8 legs, 3 ears, or 5 eyes, or anything like that. Everything what the dog should have, it's there. Is in the right place. Dog seems to be happy. It's walking in the park. The same this one. Okay, and I think it's absolutely amazing. You just need, if you want to go ahead, you can go and download it straight away to use. We can go and you can do some sharing if you want also to do so. Okay, let's say that we want to choose this image. We just need to go ahead and you just double click to place the on the canvas. There you go, we have on this image on the canvas. What do we want to do? If we want to remove the background, we just simply go ahead and we can click on it. If you want to just do some sort of selection like that, we definitely can draw the line, and you can do some sort of selection, and then we can, let's say that we want to clear it all, or we want to edit, insert, remove, anything like that. So for example, I choose this part, and this part, if I click remove, this part will be removed, but I don't want to do that. So let's go and click delete on it. Okay, oh, here you go. No, sorry, I did the delete, and so what the delete means, that it was deleted, the whole part was deleted. Okay, but that's all what you can do here. You can dose and test it. If you like it, you can do it different way. It definitely, for example, we want to go ahead and we want to remove the background. So for example, after waiting for some time, the background of this image will be removed, and we can put some other background on top of it. Here you go. You see, there's only a dog left here, and if we want to go ahead and, let's say, take this background there, move into it, that's no problem. That's what we can do using this tool. So this is the feature of text to image. Okay, I think I'll finish this video on this stage, and I'll come back to you next video. We'll be covering the rest of these features available on the Dzine AI. I will leave the link below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave it below, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated.